and welcome to my channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. Today I'm gonna share with you my recipe for coconut barfi. It's a popular Indian sweet. You'll need very few ingredients such as coconut and sugar and milk, and it's also very easy to make. So let's see what are the ingredients and measurements. You will need exactly 4 cups of grated or shredded coconut, and sugar you can take according to your taste. Ideally it is 3 cups. And for flavor I'll be using a green cardamom, that's optional. You'll also need 3/4 cup of milk. So if you don't want to use milk, you may replace it with water. And to set the barfi, you will need a tray or plate. To make the barfi, you can either use a non-stick or a thick bottomed pan. It is heating over medium to high heat. Into the pan I'll add the coconut, sugar and milk. So we'll mix everything really well and keep stirring. So you will see that within a minute or so the sugar will start to melt. Alright, the sugar has started to melt and it becomes more liquidy. At this point I'll add a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. You may even add butter or totally skip it. This is an optional step. And continue stirring. I'll also add the crushed cardamom. If you're adding cardamom powder, you can add around half a teaspoon of it. But if you don't like the flavor of it, you can totally skip it. So I have been cooking it for about 10 minutes now. So you can see that all the milk has evaporated and everything comes together as a single mass, and it does not stick to the bottom. You can see that the coconut is sticking and it forms a lump like this. So at this point, switch off the stove. You need not cook it anymore further, or else it will be difficult to set the barfi. So I have greased the pan. You may grease it either with ghee or butter or oil, and transfer the barfi. And we just spread it into the tray. So we'll spread it as evenly as possible. And we'll just press it down so that it sets very well. While it is still hot, we'll just cut it into squares or diamond shape. So now we'll let it cool in the fridge for about 1 to 1.5 hours, that it sets completely, and then we'll cut and serve the barfi. The coconut barfi has been cooling for more than an hour now. It has completely set. So we had already made the mark. So along that mark itself, I'll just cut it into square shaped pieces. So this is how the barfi looks. It's completely set and ready to serve. Here's the final look of the coconut barfi. Hope you liked my simple recipe for coconut barfi. If you do so, please hit the like button. It's very easy to make, but it's extremely delicious. So do try it at your home and post your feedback. And also subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. The links will be in the description box. So until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.